Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this issue, first of all swipe down and open Control Center, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. So just simply tap on this Bluetooth icon to turn it off or turn it on. And after that reconnect your Bluetooth device. So for this, open settings, here click on Bluetooth and then click on your available Bluetooth device to connect. So if it's not working, then open settings, scroll down and click on general, then here scroll down to the end and click on reset or transfer iPhone, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset network settings and then enter your lock screen passcode, and after that enter your screen time passcode and then click on reset network settings. So it will reset your all network settings in your iPhone, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after resetting, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart, and after restarting, if the Bluetooth is not working, then open settings and scroll down and click on general, then here click on software update and then check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest version, then update it, and after updating your Bluetooth issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.